What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing some spot stain removals from the Nissan NV200. Going to be cleaning up the seats and showcasing the underrated machine I ended up purchasing due to the fact, as an adult now with animals, dogs have to take in consideration of having one of these machines in the household. So I did a little bit of some searching on Amazon and found one that was cost efficient, I believe 110 bucks. And I looked into some reviews on it on YouTube and found that it was really underrated comparison to some other ones. But I'm gonna show you guys the results and why I've been raving about this to friends, my clients, and showcasing it to you with the NV and also the Scion as well, so that it can extract the nastiness that has been built up in these seats. It seems to work very well on all different types of fabrics. Nonetheless, guys, welcome to the video and let's get to cleaning. I'll never even announce the machine. Ready? The Little Green. Bissell Little Green, ladies and gentlemen. Do not sleep on it for the price and the impact that it makes. You're about to see it in action right here. Let's go.
All right, beautiful people, I'm showing you the driver's seat before we start deep cleaning it. Show you how nasty it is. It's not terrible, but as you can see, there's the stains. Rub it into the seat. Now this side, I ran it through one time, but we're gonna do it again just to showcase that you need a few right here. If you can see this piece right here, it's still a little dirty. You can see the difference in color. The best way, guys, is to remove the seats of any car and any vehicle and get in it, but we don't got the time for that right now, so we're gonna do it this way. All right, guys, first thing you wanna do after you vacuum, which I did not, but it's okay, because it's gonna pull that anyway, is spray with a spot removal. This is just water, soap, mixed up, and just, you wanna soak it, because the Little Green is going to also have a spray of its own with a chemical, and it's going to pull directly from, obviously, the area. So don't be shy with this, because it's gonna pull, then you're gonna have to let it dry. In fact, it's probably a little loud, so. More pressure and let it pull. Lastly, what I learned was you want to put a towel over the spots that you hit so that as it's drying, any dirt that comes up to the surface gets embedded into the cloth. I might have to get some more for these tops, but as you guys saw, the dirt, it extracted majority of it, but some of it's going to come up to the surface. I'm going to hit this side one more time, and then hopefully I have some good lighting where I can show you guys more details of how it came out. Look at that. Actually, I'll pull it. Can you see it? All that was from the seats. And that's just one seat. Yeah, guys, check it out. A lot better now. Look at that. The headrest had a lot, guys, and all like this corners had a ton of just grime and gunk. I mean, just look at that. All right, guys, there you have it. The Little Green by Bissell. I was gonna show you guys some more footage in the Scion, but the footage that we got here of the details of the extraction will suffice for the quality of this little sucker right here. And I goofed up. I thought it was $120 for the machine, but it's on sale for $89. $89, guys. And I have no affiliation with it, but you can't beat that price for the conveniency, the quality, the suction power,
and the sizing of it as well. This is one of the top 3 purchases that I don't regret ever getting, and I'm super excited for it. I mean, guys, check this out. And I poured some out because this is the 3rd take of this video. Look at this. Look how nasty that is. That's all from one seat that I did a week ago to try it out and test it. Anyways, if you got some value out of this video, guys, hit that thumbs up, comment if you have any comments, and till the next video, guys, much love, peace.